My name is Joya Johnson, and I believe the FDA should regulate supplements. In this presentation, I will describe my supplement regulation plan. Currently, the FDA is not required to monitor or regulate supplements before they are marketed. Essentially, they do not monitor the supplement until after the product enters the marketplace. Red yeast rice is an example of a dietary supplement that contains the same active ingredient, monocolin K, which is found in the prescription lovastatin that is used to treat high cholesterol. And a study conducted by Herbert et al. Sought to analyze 8 different red yeast rice supplements. The researchers sought to determine whether the cholesterol-lowering effect of red yeast rice was consistent among all 8 of the different supplements. The results of the study indicated that there was a wider range of monocolin K found throughout each individual capsule of all the different supplements, indicating that there is a lack of standardization. A contaminant called citrinin was found in measurable concentrations in 7 out of 8 supplements. Citrinin is a mycotoxin produced by a fungi that can cause kidney failure. Red yeast rice provides a perfect example of why dietary supplements should be monitored by the FDA before they are sold in the marketplace. Standardized manufacturing practices and adequate labeling are essential for the quality and safety of the product. Some supplements can contain similar properties as drugs and should be regulated as such to monitor the quality and safety. Therefore, I believe the FDA should regulate dietary supplements as drugs, not as food. In addition, the U.S. should adopt elements of Canada's regulatory approach to supplements, including providing a legal dietary database, along with product and site licensing. In order for these supplements to go into the market, they must go through a pre-approval phase. Essentially, manufacturers for supplements would have to apply or get FDA approval to sell their products on the marketplace first. Manufacturers would have to conduct numerous clinical trials to prove that the supplement is effective and safe. There are 4 phases of clinical trials, but the first 3 phases are included in the pre-approval phase. The first phase determines the dosage of the supplement along with any potential side effects. This would include 20 to 80 participants. The second phase tests the efficacy of the supplement and how well it works, and will also continue to monitor the safety of the supplement. This would include 100 to 300 participants. In the third phase, researchers will compare the safety and effectiveness of their supplement to the standard of care supplement on the market. This would conclude 300 to 3,000 participants. After phase 3 has been completed, it will then be submitted for FDA approval. In the US, the FDA regulates dietary supplements as a category of food, while Canada regulates supplements as non-prescription drugs. Site license is required in Canada for the manufacturing, packaging, labeling, and importation for sale. In order for the company to receive a site license, they must submit a quality assurance report which demonstrates that the facility, equipment, and procedures comply with the good manufacturing practices. On-site inspection would also be required in order for them to officially receive site licensing. In addition to site licensing, supplements will also have to be licensed before they are sold on the market. In order for the supplement to receive a license, they will have to provide the list of ingredients, both medicinal and non-medicinal, source, dose, side effects, potency, and recommended use. The FDA would then assess the product and its safety, and if approved, will issue a product license. Canada has a comprehensive online ingredient database for their dietary supplements that classify and provide information on approved ingredients found in supplements. The FDA should collaborate with the National Institutes of Health's Office of Dietary Supplements and create a more advanced dietary ingredient database like Canada's. Once the supplement has been approved, the FDA should continue to monitor the product even after the pre-approval phase. This is called the post-approval phase and includes phase 4 of the clinical trials. The FDA should monitor for any adverse events or side effects, any signs of contamination, or pollutants. Companies must notify the FDA for any changes of ingredients found, even if they have been already approved for marketing. During this phase, drugs can be taken off of the market if necessary. Ultimately, dietary supplements should go through the same regulations as medications by the FDA. Dietary supplements must go through a pre-approval phase before they are sold in the market. FDA should incorporate elements of Canada's regulatory approach of dietary supplements by requiring site and supplement licensing, along with providing a comprehensive legal dietary ingredient database. After the supplement has been approved by the FDA should continue to monitor the safety and efficacy of the supplement. These regulations are necessary to ensure the safety and effectiveness of dietary supplements. Thank you for watching my presentation.